Clear. Problem left, problem right. Team 2. Team 2. Problem left. All put torches on. Clear. 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 Straight through, straight through. Team 3, straight through. Straight through. Clear. That's alright, that's our room, that's clear. Let's go, let's go, let's clear that one. Next one. Next floor, grenades ready. So team 1! Stairs! Eyes on that still. What is it? On the right, on the right. Back guy. Is this clear? Yeah, back up. Go clear. Bang. Hold on. Here you go. Hit! Let's get bang! Get bang up there, guys. Grenade! We just stop. 1, 2, 6, 15, 16. This comes from the first floor. So team 2! Up the stairs, right. Keep your eye on that second floor. Are we coming in the right? Yeah, right. Right room, right room. Oh, I'm sorry. Stop team 1, cover the stairs. Stop team 1, cover the stairs. Sorry. Stop team 2, carry on. One from left, one from left. Stop team 3. Go in. Gary, go. Yep. Next left, next left, next left, next left. What, second floor? We'll sort this out in a minute, but we're going to want some eyes on these stairs. Is that one of us, or was that them not there? It's theirs, it's them, it's them, it's them. Just go. Follow right. Torch. Where's Scully gone? Am I supposed to be fucking through there, aren't I? Yeah. Let's go, downstairs, upstairs. Let's go. Let's just carry it on. Next floor, next floor. So team 1! Team 1, come through! Just go. Wait for it, wait for the bang. Grenade it. It is. Oh. Hit! Let's flash it. Go. I've got him. Grenade it. Wait. Come on. You need to get clear view, mate. Am I back in? Right. Yeah, you're in. It's in that floor there, that room there. Put some fire on that room there, the doorway just there. That's it. Ready team! Ready team! Ready team 1! Ready! Watch that top floor! Watch that stuff! Keep pushing! I've got my eyes on the stairwell. Stay in that room! Follow up! Hit that right! I've got stairs! Sammy, save me, Sammy! Side, on these stairs! I've lost my fucking... Another team! Come in! To me! Straight ahead, pop them left! Room clear! Clear, up the stairs, just regroup! Stairs! Let's get bang! What team? Take one! Let's go! Team 2, follow! Come on. Keep pushing! Problem centre. We've 2 problems left! Problem centre, problem right! Push! Problem left, sorry, Nick, your left now! Hey!
I've got a grenade, mate. I can chuck it somewhere.
Look, that room's not clear. That room is on the left. Second left, it's not clear.
Scotty's here. Scotty's here.
Clear.
Let's go. Let's go. Around that corner. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have another one.
Clear.
Little's clear. Get there. Get there, Gary. Respawn.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10. That'll do, mate.
Guys, don't come in close to me. Huddle to me while we walk. Everyone push you.
I've got 2 blokes.
Diamond me.
Don't even dog you.
Yeah. Right. I thought it didn't go too well. I mean, not too bad. I don't really know what to say.
We adjusted well. I
think at the end of the day, we were using Tiger stuff, but when you get there, you just got to I just got to pull people.
Yeah.
Well, that's where Airsoft and real life doesn't.
We recorded and we were shooting. Yeah.
What did he say? What did he say after we finished?
Yeah, he said, I should have fucking known you lot.
And that's all
fucking fair.
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video then please hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos from me then please subscribe to my channel.